Hey guys, Lester with our Nova Scotia Adventure. This is take 3 of trying to do this video with this stupid camera. First one, no sound. Second one, no picture. I was following the script, I'd be able to line them both up, but I didn't. So, today's video is going to be about temporary or movable electric fencing for goats. So, original video I shot had me setting the fence up, moving the goats in. One of the guys actually going over near the fence, touching it, getting a shock, proving that it worked. So for now, I'll just have to show you what I used and how I did it all, and my materials I used. Pretty simple. The material: blue rope, 15 feet. My yellow rope here is my anchors. I just clip them through the corner post. Pull them down with a tent peg. And it keeps tension on my wire. For my wire, last night I made 15-foot coils with a loop on either end. The loop just go over, click down in, and then that keeps them from backing up. And take them off. Feed it all the way down through. Pop it up. When I'm done, coil it back up, throw it on the bike. With my measuring rope, got a knot on one end. I just pull it through. Pull it out straight. That gives me the approximate distance. And then I can step in my next post and adjust it once I actually put the wire on it. I'm using rope instead of just the wire, because I don't want to be bending that wire up too much or getting kinks in it when I'm running it through the bush and stuff. These posts, I got like a 3/8 aluminum rod with a bit of an angle on it. All plastic. So you just stick it in the ground. As the name says, step on it. It's good to find every rock in your yard. If you want to know where all your rocks are, just buy some of these. Just step in, then I just click the wires on, feed them all the way through. So my runs there, between the fence posts are just over 15 feet. So in the corners, to make sure I got conductivity, I use these little clips I made up. They just go over. So they go around the corners. They bridge the gaps. Then over here, I got a half-inch galvanized bar for my ground. Goes to that clamp, up to the negative, positive, over to the fence. Then I got my joining wires. So on this one, all 3 wires are hot, and when they touch it, their foot completes the circuit, so the shock travels through them. With their pin, it's a positive negative setup. So some wires are negative, some are positive, and it also goes through the ground. So once they touch 2 wires, they get a much larger jolt than if they were just to touch a positive, and it goes through their foot. With the mobile one, it's a smaller setup, so just one ground is good if you got the right soil and moisture conditions. Well, hoping this video actually works this time before I take it back to the camera. But I wanted to set this up because I don't know if you guys noticed in the background here, all these bricks not supposed to be where they're at. My rose bush supposed to have more leaves and actual roses on it this year, and I wanted to get in, put some temporary fencing up through the woods, same with the acreage out back, just to clean up with all the undergrowth and free food for the goats. That's the latest installment here. It's working. They've been out here for about 3 hours now. They're all still in there. They're happy they get to run around and play. First video was awesome. Showed one getting shocked. Oh, awesome to watch, not awesome if you were the goat. Gonna try it. He really wants to get at that bush there, but he knows those wires are there and he doesn't want to test it. On that note, if your goats aren't used to electric fences, probably not a setup for you. My goats are really used to their fence. I only have my fencer on every other day. And when I was setting it up where the gate is, I had the wire sitting on the ground, and I were wary about getting in there. I had to lure them in with some treats, just a pellet and some grain. So on their run here, when they're coming in, they step over this wooden post, so they can't see the wire, which is underneath. So when we get little ones, they don't escape. It's pretty good. I like this whole setup, which I'll be able to do. Get 16 posts. At 16, I got an odd number. 15 posts. That's because I got one for the short gap. 4, 8. I think it's 5 for the long part, and then 3 across. So it's like 1,200 square feet or something like that I can get off my fence. Easy to move. Way cheaper than going out and buying the kit by $200 and something. Then you still need to buy a fencer for it if you don't have one already. So, and there's even cheaper. Oh wait, no, I thought it was cheaper. You can just go out and buy the steel post that you step into the ground. Then you have to go out and buy a bag of connectors. A bag of connector comes with 20 connectors in it. And you need 3 per post. And they were $25 back. So it worked out that this was the cheapest method I could do. That's why I went with it. Alright. In case. It's also worked for pigs because it's really easily adjusted. Next year we're going to get a pig. Wilbur, probably be his name, or her name. And then do free range pork. Right. So, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. There's going to be more videos coming. We got 2 more I'm already thinking about working on. So it's going to be a portable hay feeder. Nice. Sorry, portable hay feeder. I'm working on a table. I already started shooting video for that. And what else is there? Oh, my wind turbine that I made, the blades in my other video. I'll post a link to that. My magnets finally showed up. And I did a little test on my little tiny motor, and it's super simple. Stuck some magnets in there, gave it a spin, created power. So that's gonna be another video. And actually getting the solar part set up for the fence. I got a free battery for that. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a good day.